To wind your bobbin, you will need to follow the guides on your sewing machine. All machines are different, so we are going to show you what it looks like to wind the bobbin on this Singer Stylus sewing machine. You will need to insert the thread through the hole in the bobbin. Place it on the bobbin winder shaft and turn it on. Make sure your thread is tightly wound, like this one shown. Otherwise, you will have issues sewing. You will then need to insert the bobbin into the bobbin case. When putting it in, make sure that your thread makes a P with the bobbin. An easy way to remember this is that P stands for perfect. Follow the guide on your sewing machine to make sure you insert the bobbin correctly into the bobbin case.